خب این هر قسمت سوم آموزش. لایک و سابسکرایب یادتون نره. بریم که شروع بکنیم.
You are a pilot trainee. You are a tour guide. You are a blogger. You are a YouTuber. You are a gamer. You are a chef assistant. You are a poetess. You are a novelist. You are a researcher. You are a politician. You are a speaker. You are a blogger. You are an influencer. You are a consultant. You are a therapist. You are a psychologist. You are a historian. You are a sociologist. You are a traveler. You are a volunteer. You are an activist. You are a diplomat. You are a judge assistant. You are a filmmaker. You are an editor. You are a director assistant. You are a producer. You are a translator trainee. You are an entrepreneur. You are a philanthropist.